Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to C.A.R. Entertainment. I'm your host Dylan Hamilton, and today we're going to be talking about AQ1 digital technology, but specifically guys, we're going to be doing our first part of our protocol notes, which is protocols and the OSI model. So we have protocols and how it relates to the OSI model, and then we just have a lot of different protocols which you have to learn off, but all the protocols will come in a separate video. But today we're going to be talking about protocols and the OSI model. So without further ado, we'll straight into this. So what are protocols? Well, there's a couple of different definitions you can use, and then why do we need them? So you need to distinguish between a communication protocol and the actual definition of a protocol. So a communication protocol is a set of rules or procedures that will enable a device on a computer network to use different technologies. So how does a protocol fit into that term then? Well, a protocol is just a standard set of rules that describes how data is transmitted, and it is followed to ensure that transmitted data is received and understood at its destination. So why do we need communication protocols? Well, protocols are used everywhere in analog and digital communications, and without them, computer networks can't exist. So the OSI model, which stands for the Open Systems Interconnection Model. Well, how did this come about? Well, the OSI model came about because it wasn't possible to get information from one system to another because each manufacturer had their own different protocols. So this model was invented to work even if different data formats had information being sent between them. So different type of networks could then communicate. It ensured that any equipment from any manufacturer can be connected to any other manufacturer's equipment. So therefore the manufacturer's products will obey these standards, and it will mean the ease of connection to another manufacturer's products. And a mnemonic to remember all the layers of the OSI model, because there's 7 layers, is all people seem to need data processing, and the start of that's all the start. So A stands for application, P stands for presentation, S stands for session, T stands for transport, N stands for network, D stands for data link, and P stands for physical. So we'll start off talking about the application layer. Well, the application layer is your top layer. It'll present information in a human-friendly way, including file or data transfer through electronic mail and web services. Your presentation layer is when data is represented in a way that a network can understand by converting information and carrying out data encryption, data compression. The session layer is a highly structured dialogue between 2 workstations, which is responsible for the security of data. It will start a session whenever an application wants to make a connection to a remote server. The transport layer is responsible for ensuring data is transferred from one point to another reliably and without errors. Data will be sent and received in the correct sequence, and here you will use your stuff like parity, but check and echo, check-in, checksums, and all the rest. Network layer is working out the best route for the packets to use. So basically you're sending this data or bits in packets, and this works out the best route. It will handle the addressing and routing of the data based on logical addressing. The data link layer will break down these higher layers into packets, and then these will be broken up into the most basic form of data. Also, and data link layer also deals with error correction. Also, it will also convert bits back into packets whenever data starts to come back up from physical through to the top layer again. So the physical layer is a layer that transmits unstructured raw data over a physical medium, and it's totally hardware based, and it will deal with all aspects of establishing and maintaining a physical link between communication computers by defining how a cable is attached to the NIC, the network interface card, and how it transmits bits. The benefit of using the OSI model is that hardware and software are able to communicate with any other hardware and software that meets the standard. Hardware and software will work together, and the OSI is independent of the country, so it doesn't matter where the hardware and software is made. The OSI is not dependent on the operating system, and error handling in each layer and different layers operate automatically. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be Dylan Hamilton from C.A.R. Entertainment, and I'll see you next time.